Hey y'all, it's your girl Autumn.
Baby, I'ma meet you at the airport. We make some moves out of town. Anything I do for you, you know my love is true. I know you want it, babe, just like I want it to. So stick around, stick around. Yeah, come hold it down, hold it down. Yeah, so stick around, baby. Yeah, how that sound, baby?
Hello y'all, it's your girl Yasss Autumn, and I am back with a makeup tutorial. Today I'm just gonna be doing something just very light, like a little light bead. I'm really into just the hurry up, put a little makeup on, let's go, let's, you know what I mean. So anyways, I'm just gonna get started with this makeup thing because I really don't know much more to say. I just did want to let y'all know that I am a makeup artist. I'm really good at what I do, but at the same time I'm learning, like for real. Like I really don't know a lot that normal makeup artists do know. I'm trying to let y'all know and show y'all how to do a simple bead. That's just all I'm gonna do. I'm trying to reach my followers that really have a hard time with doing it. They're trying to book a makeup artist, and I just want you to know that you can be a bad bitch doing your own makeup. It's very, very simple. Like I keep saying, I don't even know how I got this talent, but we're here. So I'm here to show y'all how to do your makeup, okay? And it's just gonna be like random little makeup tutorials and stuff like that. I like to put myself in the back, so you'll see these makeup tutorials when you see them, because I have so much content to bring to you guys. So I don't want to just be like, yeah, let me stick to the makeup, and then you're like, girl, you do better on the pole though, or you do better waxing. But I just want to reach all my audience. I want to reach everybody, the wax lovers, the makeup lovers, and the pole lovers, and the funny like whatever you like. So anyway, we're gonna get started. This is the natural radiance mix. No, I'm asking you. Come here.
I can't remember.
What?
Never mind. Dang, weirdo.
I get the picture, you keep adding filters. Tell me you love me, knowing I'm broken, I don't get you. Can't fuck with love like liquor and livers. Homies turning in they niggas just for a figure, that's pussy shit. 22s to get you, breaking news, little nigga. I can't argue with no bitches, my bitch got too